What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button. Today I'm going to do a video on how to remove the ECU on a 2021 and newer Mt-07. I'm going to start off by removing the seats. Then after you get the seat removed, you're going to use a 4mm Allen key and you're going to pull off the 4 bolts at the bottom of the tank that are covered by the seat. Once you get those 4 bolts removed, you're going to take your 4mm and you're going to remove this bolt in the side of this plastic cover on the side of the tank. So once you remove that, you're going to want to take your 4mm Allen key and remove these guys at the front of the tank. And they also have this little washer that comes on them. Want to make sure that comes off with it and you don't lose it. Okay, next you're going to want to come to the front of the tank, and inside of here there's one push pin rivet that you're going to just push the inside and then you can pop it right out. Okay, then you're going to take off this center tank cover. You're going to pull straight up and slide it back towards the back of the bike. Once you remove the center plastic tank cover, you're going to push out this plastic pin and then another 4mm Allen bolt under there. Okay, once you get that push pin and that one last 4mm Allen, you're just going to pull these two little grommets out. Then once you pull that side cover off out of those two little grommets, your ECU's right here. You can just unplug that and mail it away to get flashed. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. See you later.